Pimento cheese. Pimento cheese actually started in New York City. What in the hell is a pimento? It's a roasted red pepper chopped up and given to us in a jar. Red ships of Spain. So sorry, Deep South, you didn't get this one.
And I like a little hot sauce in there to give it a little wang.
We took away the slaves, but you still have pimento cheese.
I like my pimento cheese spreadable and pipeable. Not looking for a lot of texture. I think it should be spicy. Not scary spicy.
You can put this on anything. Crudité, crackers, hamburgers, barbecue sandwiches, your neighbor's penis.